Hakeem Jeffries was born in Brooklyn, New York in 1970. He grew up in a busy neighborhood full of people from many cultures and backgrounds. Hakeem lived with his parents and younger brother. His father was a social worker who helped people in need. His mother worked for the city and made sure children had good jobs and safe places to live when they grew up. As a child, Hakeem loved reading and asking big questions about fairness and how things worked in the world. He saw his parents help their community, and that made him want to help too. He believed even kids could make a difference. Hakeem went to public school like millions of other American kids. He worked hard and was known for his big smile and sharp mind. After high school, he went to Binghamton University where he studied political science. That means he learned how governments make decisions and how laws are made. Then he went to Georgetown University to learn more about public policy and later got his law degree from New York University. He did not stop learning because he believed knowledge was power. He knew that if he wanted to help people, he had to understand the laws and systems first. Hakeem became a lawyer and worked for a big law firm, but he wanted to do more than just help companies. He wanted to help regular people. He soon started working on civil rights cases. Civil rights are the rules that protect everyone and make sure we are treated fairly no matter our race or background. He fought against unfair treatment and spoke out for justice. People in his community saw how he stood up for others and began to ask him to run for office. In 2006, Hakeem ran for the New York State Assembly and he won. As an assemblyman, he worked on laws to stop police from keeping secret files on people who had done nothing wrong. He wanted to protect people's rights and give them a voice. He also helped create programs for young people and tried to make sure every family had a safe place to live. He believed in second chances and supported criminal justice reform. In 2012, Hakeem ran for the United States House of Representatives. That means he would be one of the voices from New York in the federal government. He won the election and began working in Washington, D.C. He represented the 8th District of New York, which includes parts of Brooklyn and Queens. He listened to the people who lived there and brought their concerns to the nation's capital. Hakeem quickly became known for his powerful speeches and his calm way of explaining hard things. He joined committees that focused on the law and justice system. He became a leader in helping pass laws that protect voting rights and support families. He was not afraid to speak up even when things were tough. He believed in solving problems, not just talking about them. He also believed in working with people from different sides if it meant getting good things done. In 2023, Hakeem Jeffries became the House Minority Leader. That means he is the leader of the Democratic Party in the House of Representatives. He was the first African American ever to lead a party in Congress. This was a big moment in history. It showed that leadership can come from anywhere and that the doors were open for others to follow. Hakeem said he stood on the shoulders of giants like Shirley Chisholm and John Lewis who fought for justice before him. Hakeem stands for fairness. He wants schools to be strong. He wants health care to be affordable. He wants people to be treated the same no matter their background. He believes in the power of democracy and voting. He also wants the government to work for the people, not just the rich or powerful. He believes that laws should be clear and justice should be equal. Today, Hakeem continues to lead in Congress. He listens to the voices of young people and wants them to know they matter. He often says that hope and hard work can create change. He believes that every child has greatness inside them and that, with the right support, they can become leaders too. Hakeem Jeffries is proof that a kid from Brooklyn with big dreams can rise to the top and still stay close to the people. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others.